the hood open. I'm not sure this is the normal sounding that's supposed to come from the engine, but it's just like clicky noise. It's coming from the engine block, it sounds like. Like right there, that's where it's coming from. Sounds like a diesel engine almost. I'm gonna close the lid now, the hood. This is what you hear with the hood closed. And the other side. This is what it sounds like from inside. I just got back from a trip and there's the mileage. Can't really hear it from the inside. But, you know.